see the light flash, you hit the pedal, and there's a split second where you kind of have to gather your thoughts. And by then you're at the 60 foot, and I look a couple hundred feet in front of the car, because by the time it registers to your brain, you're going that fast that you're there. Feels like you got rear-ended by a freight train or something. It's unbelievable.
Machining, you know, you can put a lot of stress into a part, machining it. Good things is GibbsCAM gives us the flexibility in our tool paths, gives us the flexibility in our feeds and speeds that we can approach the machining process how we want to minimize the stress that goes into the part when we machine it. These are a centrifugal clutch, so there's no transmission. Basically, it's direct drive. 10,000 horsepower is what drives these things, which is pretty impressive. And the clutch is an integral part of getting the horsepower to the ground. You can take one of our clutches that have 500 runs on it, and it is as flat as a brand new one.
We're fortunate enough to have been running CNC Performance Engineering clutches in our car for the last 15 years. And we feel like at this point, Chris probably has the best product in drag racing, and we're going to try to prove that this weekend. There's a national world record at the moment is held by a CNC Performance clutch and another Top Fuel dragster. So it's these cars make 11,000 horsepower, and the trick is to get that horsepower harnessed to run through the bell housing, through the clutch, into the tires. So the clutch is the most important part of the race car. It's also the most finicky, and we're just lucky to have CNC build our clutches. Chris, as a clutch guy, knows what this car wants. He's worked on them before, and you know, he uses his GibbsCAM software to cut these things, and I mean, they are dead nuts precise. You know, they come from him. We don't have to grind anything to make anything fit. You know, it's basically bolt together, put your levers in there, and plug and play. You know, I mean, which is hard to find out here.
Why do we use GibbsCAM? It's the best. It's the best product for our company. The ease of use, the format, everything about it is the best. Product mission statement says it all. Powerfully simple is simply powerful.